Guys, if you are a system admin and if your system is slow, you know how to use the third party software like system cleaner to remove the unnecessary files, right? But these are the some paths you need to know, guys. Prefetch. Prefetch stores the records of like the previously used commands or the files, Acrobat, 7ZG, and you can also do analysis. That's for system security admin. But if you are a system admin and if you think your system is slow, these are the steps if you want to take manually, like you can delete. What hackers will do is after executing some softwares or some scripts, their logs will be here and they can delete the prefetch. You can read more about prefetch, guys. I'm just don't want to make this as a separate topic now. The second thing is the temp folder. Temp folder will be having the list of the logs in this also. This in the, and this completely different from percentile. Why double percentile? Okay, this is completely different from this particular temp, guys. And like if you want to see the size of this particular temp folder, you could see it's around 100 MB and it's going beyond like 1 GB of space, like around 776 MB. And you could, but make sure you don't delete other temp files, guys, like the VM files will not work, like virtual machine kind of thing. So whenever any software is uninstalled, come to this particular, just enter percentile temp and then go back to particular folder. You can delete everything here. And let's say if you have installed some filezilla kind of thing, it's a not Mozilla Firefox. If you are uninstalled, then there could be some GB of files here. The reason why I'm telling you, if you have used VMware or virtual machine and you uninstall, there could be here like 4 to 5 GB of data for that. This particular space will be having the like the backup files or the log files of the softwares. You need to make sure, like sometimes if your system space too much occupied, this is the important part to come and check, not the installation folders data, guys. So so that you can come here and see like particular softwares like Postman, how much log, 700 MB. Can you see, guys? I uninstall the Postman, let's say, but still I have 700 MB of logs here, so that can be deleted easily from here. If you are a developer, you could come across 20 GB of data. I am not a developer, guys. I recently installed. That's how the things happens. You might be thinking that this is very interesting thing to learn. Know that because let's say you are a tester, you are using Zap proxy or Burp proxy. After few days, your system space will be occupied, 100 GB of space occupied, and you don't have anything to uninstall. If you go to control panel and see, you almost uninstalled everything, but the lots of space is occupied. That is here. Your particular username, see user's username, and then app data. But make sure you don't delete all the files, guys. Check one by one folder, see the file size, which let's say you come across some for size of 10 GB, and see whether it is useful folder or not based on the like file name. It's a Genie Motion Android. I think it should be occupied a lot for my 5 GB. I know that, yes. So it's an Android emulator. So if I want to compromise Genie Motion software, then I'll be having 5 GB, 5.5 GB of space in my machine too. So I don't have to delete all the folders, the biggest folder, and then later if I need, I can install that particular software again.